Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a review on some pry bars that I found. This is my original 24-inch. It's okay, it served me well, but the last few times I've used it, it's actually bent. So I was out shopping one day and I found this one. This is a Hypertough, and it's even got a hitting surface on it, which my original doesn't. You can tell that's well worn. But this is from Walmart. This was just under $10, and it was made in the USA. Oops, having a hard time focusing. Okay, there we go. So like most things, I like things made in the USA. So let's take a look. I mean, just looking at the comparison, if you look at this thing is about, barely a half an inch. I would say that's about 7/16 of an inch thick. And then this one, look. This thing is pretty beefy. This one is at a half an inch. And if you were to actually like hold it side by side, you can tell that this one is much heavier duty. And the fact that it's made in America, hey, you know what? That's better, right? So I'm going to test this one out. I haven't used it much yet, but I'm sure it's not going to do that because I had to straighten that back up. But I was at the store the other day and I found this one. This is a 36-inch pry bar, and you can tell right there what it says. Okay, and it too is made in America. It says right there, and this thing is super beefy. I mean, look at that. Okay, you see that is 5/8 of an inch. Okay, that's maybe even a little thicker, but that's about 5 inches. And this is super beefy, and I can't wait to try it on it. And that was just under 20 bucks. Okay, but also I also found these. These are 6-inch par tray, and the 6 inches usually are more expensive than the 4-inch, and I have lots of the 4-inch that I used to get from Pittsburgh, but I find these 6 inches to be more useful. So the next time you're at Walmart, and these were just under $4 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for, you know, these little trays that really come in handy when you disassemble things. So a couple things to look out for when you're at Walmart the next time, all right? And thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing as always, all right?